Today's tech tip is going to show you the match font feature in Photoshop. So open an image in Photoshop where you want to match the font. Now this is helpful if you want to find a complementary font, or maybe you don't have the source file for a photo that you're working with. You can go ahead and go into Type, Match Font. Adobe is going to present you with a marquee box. You can go ahead and change this box so that you're selecting different fonts that are in the image, different text. And when you move this around, it's going to change the fonts that it's selecting to display to you based on what you've selected. So in the top, these are fonts that you already have installed on your system. And in the bottom, these are fonts that you can download from Typekit and add to your system. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one and click OK, and then add some font to my image here based on that selection. And there you have it. That is the Photoshop Match Font tool. Hope you find it useful.